Everyone, this is Rocket Jeff Maycheck. How's it going? How's it going? So, nobody watched the previous videos, which is okay. Oh, yeah. Um, Margie's daddy watched it, but he only said first. Didn't say anything about the video. So, um, I'm going to attempt to sing this song from Open Skies, and most likely, yes, there's going to be a copyright, but I was in a mood, and as you can see, I'm doing dishes. So let's try this. And those who watching, listening, great. If not, then it's just for me then. But this song just hit me, so I was like, ugh, you gotta sing it. Try not to do too much. It's for you, who I love so much. Every night and every day, I try to be so strong. Oh, Lord, I love you, baby, you know. Ever allowed to see you calling what was inside of me. I can't believe how hard I've fallen. Maybe I can't believe you're all I need. When my heart beats down, it's not the same somehow. Oh no, nothing I can do. 'Cause I'm nothing without you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And looking myself over when I waited wrong. No, it's wrong. I don't know what you got up with me. Maybe go on and on. 7 nights and that's forever and ever. They're the only one. But we've been tough, it's so much better. We've been right or wrong, all I know. Heart beats now. It's not the same somehow. No, baby, I can do. 'Cause I'm nothing without you. Ooh, 'cause I'm nothing without you. Marching TV. Oh. I remember the lonely night when my heart was torn to stone. And the random house tonight, and all I want was calm. Now we come into my life, and I know, when it comes to you, it's why tweeting my loves. Oh, with my heart beats down. Shout out to Kim. It's not the same do. 'Cause I'm in nothing without you. Ooh, I'm nothing without you. Rebel rocker. Oh, no, no, no. Sunny, stormy. Meow, 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 meow. You. Shout out to Lauren, even though you'll probably never watch me. And that is that. See you next time.